This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Loeb. Excellent opportunity to own a renovated duplex on South Hill with perfect sunset view of the bay. Each unit enjoys an open floor plan with 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, and your own private deck. Upper unit has additional terrace with a wood-burning hot tub. New roof in 2014. New windows in 2017. New electrical and plumbing. This duplex also has an additional space below for another duplex which has been permitted with designs, engineering and permits that were issued and ready to build, expired now. Great opportunity to purchase and build an irreplaceable income property. For more information, review the details below or contact Loeb at 360-734-7500.